YouTube, what's going on? It has been far too long since I've posted up a video, so thank you everybody for clicking on my channel. What we're doing today is I brought the CRX. We're gonna get some work done to it. I'm gonna take out the engine. I got a wiring harness for it, some gaskets like oil pan, valve cover and stuff like that, and we're just gonna get it looking nice. I also got some parts for my Turbo Civic, so that one's gonna be coming up pretty soon in the next couple of videos. But join me and yeah, follow me while I work on the little CRX. Here, come with me where my buddy Mitch is. Thank you very much, my buddy, for allowing me to use his tools and his jacks and stands and stuff. As you can tell, it's a Honda house. But here's the Rex. And that's how it begins, by taking off a few bolts. We got a B20 with a B16VTEC, and this engine is coming out. Here's some of the parts that I got for it. Got the wiring harness. This was an eBay piece, it wasn't expensive. Then this is the spark coil pack covers and all the gaskets and stuff, so it's in. Thanks to Mitch, he's a Toretto of our crew.
No, it's just slide down this way.
We're finally putting it down on all four. We're gonna take it for a little neighborhood drive and get the thermostat, water pump, fluids going, juices going, bring it back, and check if anything's not falling off.
And then drive it, bro.